Hello friends of Don's Little Garden, and welcome to another video where today we are going to talk about this fabulous plant. For that I have brought Jeron, my friend from Vetiver Nurseries. I will leave a link in the video description, a specialist in all kinds of aquatic plants, and we are going to learn about all the needs, care and uses of this beautiful lily. How are you, Jeron?
Hello, Tony. Well, look, I've brought you the yellow iris Pseudacorus, an excellent aquatic plant. It blooms in early spring with an exuberant yellow flower, and at the same time, it's a plant that will serve us wonderfully to hold all the pond soil so it doesn't collapse.
We just have a pond with two levels because it's on a slope, because it's a soft up, and now we'll show you the place we've chosen, which, as Jeron rightly says, helps hold the soil so it doesn't spill into the pond. And what is this? You have like two plants.
Not that Kampashantaba. Look, I brought you one in a pot so we can plant it where we have plenty of soil, and another bare root for water purification systems. For example, where we have gravel, we plant it among the gravel and it will establish itself wonderfully. And
we will see all these now. Let's look at both cases and show you, as I said, alternates. So come on, let's plant.
Let's do it. Let's plant the iris Pseudacorus. We have chosen this site because it will help us hold this slope so it doesn't crumble into the water. While I plant these pots, I'll tell you about the care this plant needs. It's a plant you can place in full sun, although some shade will also suit it. We will place it here in the marshy area, with its feet in the water. It blooms very intensely at the beginning of spring. Some wonderful yellow flowers. The planting season will also be spring and late winter. It is a plant very resistant to frost, and you will always have green foliage all year round. Here we have the plant bare-rooted. Notice that these we brought from the nursery are in pots, and we have planted them where we have more soil.
In this case here, we kita noa soba kesibila, because we don't have any soil and it will be ideal to plant these bare root cuttings. Any little spot we have with a bit of water will be perfect to accommodate this plant.
What is going to happen here? Well, these plants are going to
absorb the excess nutrients from the water, like nitrogen and phosphorus, which are responsible for algae reproducing uncontrollably. By removing them, it takes away the food from the algae. Additionally, their roots work like a sponge. They can even accumulate heavy metals like cadmium, lead, or mercury.
That's why it is used in artificial wetlands to treat wastewater ecologically. A very interesting plant to put in our pond, especially because of its benefits and because I am very eager to see it in bloom. Jeron keeps telling me about the wonderful flower it produces. I will upload it to Instagram to show you. Remember that I leave a link in the video description to his nursery, where he even offers pond advice like he is doing with me today. And well, Sharon, thank you very much for coming.
All right, see you in the next one.
Well, I hope you liked the video, especially that it was helpful. And I'll see you next Thursday on Tony's Little Garden channel. See you later.
See you later.